Hey everyone, in this video we will show you how to do the block blast glitch to get a high score. First, open Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General to access more system settings. Now, scroll further and tap on Background App Refresh. This option allows apps to update their content even when you're not using them. Next, tap Background App Refresh again at the top. From the list that appears, choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. This will make sure apps can work in the background using both types of internet. Now, go back to the main settings screen and tap on battery. Here, turn off the low power mode by switching the toggle. If it's turned on, it might limit some background activity needed for the trick to work. After setting that up, open your web browser like Safari or Chrome. Go to itwicked.net by typing it in the search bar. Once the site loads, scroll down and look for Block Blast Mode. Tap on it and then press the button shown below to start the process. It might take a few seconds, just follow any steps that appears. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.